lot of y'all heard about me. A lot of y'all think y'all know me, but you don't know me. I got a lot of things that I want to address. I also got this one girl that I want to undress. My confidence is on the mantle. They saying I'm annoying. Be myself at all times. If not, it's really boring. At times like this, like getting out of hand, a house party. People want to snack, want Snickers, but get Smarties. Ain't nobody gonna starve me. I'm eating a lot. I'm hungry, dog, and nobody is gonna take my spot. I'm just trying to make a story, Lordy, it would be great. The only girl in my DMs is the one with the cake. My talent is uncomparable, so don't you dare compare it. My style is very authentic, I'm glad I can inherit. You need to understand a professional with my drive. If you swimming in the deep end, don't start with the dive. You rappers are some vermin, try to catch me off guard. I don't wanna have credit because I feel overcharged. I wanna make my own money and pay all of my debts. Wanna go through my life and not have any regrets. Not gonna stand up on this track and say that I am the best. I'm gonna finish being happy and not take anything less. I just wanna let you know that music is my passion. Wanna let you know in a year what will happen. Wanna let you know, and I really wanna show that I'ma make a living in this practice of rapping. Wanna let you know that I'm never gonna quit. Wanna let you know I'm never falling in the pit. Wanna let you know when it comes to getting big, I'm John Wayne with the toughness, that's true grit. I do this rap confident so I don't stress. The only goal up in this game is to be the best. I'm not in it for the money, maybe just a few checks. The most important thing to earn is a lot of respect. Wanna let you know I'm better off from here on out. I'm smooth with the flow, I keep it calm and I don't shout. Some of y'all don't like the gluten rap, your feelings getting hurt. I can talk about myself and I don't even have to curse. Might put one or two on some real ish. Not always a good kid, I'm relentless. Better yet, I am not soft, ho. Screw you if you think so. Just because I'm skinny, that doesn't mean that I punch low. People judge me even though they don't know my life. I've been trying to tell it every single time that I write. Will I make it in this game? I don't know, I just might. Success is a process, it doesn't happen overnight. I just wanna let you know that music is my passion. Wanna let you know in the year what will happen. Wanna let you know, and I really wanna show that I'ma make a living in this practice of rapping. Wanna let you know that I'm never gonna quit. Wanna let you know I'm never falling in the pit. Wanna let you know when it comes to getting big, I'm John Wayne with the toughness, that's true grit. Let me inform for those who don't know the norm. I'm coming in for the sting, you can say it's a bee swarm. I gotta make sure that you know what to say and not to say. To me and others around, you better put that on delay. Got Skittles on top of Skittles with Snickers, Kit Kats and Mountain Dew. Might get fat in a couple of years, I hope this isn't true. Let me tell you what I'm about to do. Let you know, of course, work hard in this rapping business. Promise that I won't abort. Make it through school, get a degree to fall back on. You're dumb if you were saying that my plan is wrong. Realistic with my mindset, that's why I'm philosophy. Know the fundamentals to excel academically. Don't tell you what to do, I just tell you the facts. When I get into my flow, all I do is attack. I'm basically waiting to take my talents to another level. What it is, I gotta dig deeper, I'm gonna need a shovel. I'm all about that bass, no treble. I'm light years ahead of you in the space shuttle. Y'all not seeing it clearly, hard for you to depict. Like me being head over heels about a chick, it's not a problem, I'ma solve it. Being there for my girl, she will always be my queen that revolves around my world. I know this is personal, at least I didn't show. Man, I had to tell you, I just wanna let you know. I just wanna let you know that music is my passion. Wanna let you know in the year what will happen. Wanna let you know, and I really wanna show that I'ma make a living in this practice of rapping. Wanna let you know that I'm never gonna quit. Wanna let you know I'm never falling in the pit. Wanna let you know when it comes to getting big, I'm John Wayne with the toughness, that's true grit. So now you know, I guess. Hope this was educational for you. Peace out.